Hello everyone, welcome back to IMS Coding. In today's session, we are going to focus on a fundamental aspect of web development. 5 essential HTML tags every web developer should know. So without wasting any time, let's begin this video. First on the list is the H1 tag. This tag represents the most important heading in your document. This tag gives structure and meaning to your content. Now the next tag is the div tag. It's a container that groups other HTML elements together. It's like a box where you can organize and style your content. This tag is essential for creating layouts and structuring web pages. Now moving on to the anchor tag. This tag is used to create hyperlinks connecting one web page to another. It's fundamental for navigation and creating a seamless user experience. Now let's talk about IMG tag. This tag is used to embed images on a web page. Images are essential for engaging content and conveying information visually. The IMG tag allows you to display images from various sources on your website. Lastly, the UL and allied tags. These tags are used to create lists on web pages. Lists are a fundamental way to organize and display information, making content more readable and structured. So there you have it, the 5 essential HTML tags every web developer should be familiar with. Mastering these tags forms the foundation of web development. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more insightful sessions here on IMS Coding. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.